Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel KN News. I hope you'll be fine. This time we talk about how Saudi Arab is trapping AI to monitor the environment and extreme weather. Alan James weather prediction improving forecast for hard waves and flash flood critical for Saudi Arab and climate adaptation efforts. Kyo's Center of Excellence for Generative AI focus on Earth observations technologies to address climate challenges like weather security. Since the launch of Vision 2030, innovation and sustainability have been a central to Saudi Arab and transformative plan with artificial intelligence emerging as a key tool to tackle a range of issues including environmental challenges. With only 90% of its territory covered by desert, the kingdom is utilizing AI to combat land degradation, improve water resource management, and promote sustainable practices. The King Abdullah University of Science and Technology has joined the global AI race by advancing generative AI research. In Center of Excellence for Generative AI adopt a multidisciplinary approach focusing on technologies like multimodal foundation models in AI assisted Earth observation system to address challenges including water scarcity and land degradations. Prof. Matthew McCabe, MCCAB, Director of Coast and Climate and Livability Initiative, told our Muse that AI has a provide a pathway our understanding and interpretation of Earth system, ensuring in an era where data can be rapidly channels to provide new knowledge and actionable insights. While GAN AI has already impacted greatly on a number of domains, its application in the earth and environmental science remains emerging. MCCAP said. The center research focuses on developing AI tools for satellite imaging and Earth observation, enabling better monitoring of ecosystem. This includes using drones and a satellite-based remote sensing technologies to track environmental change in real time. Drones and a satellite system provide high resolution data that is a circle for understanding ecological shift in our regions that were previously difficult to study. This allows for more effective and land management, ecosystem restoration, and better prediction regarding weather platform and patterns. We will be using remote sensing and other data source to undertake ecosystem monitoring, helping to advance some of the goals and objectives of the City Green initiatives. MCCAP said AI driving solutions are already aiding the so the green initiative goal of planting 2 million tree and tree 10 billion trees and rehabilitating 14 million hectares of a degraded land by 2030, analyzing regional climate data, soil condition, and water availability to identify optimal and planting location. The Saudi Data and AI Authority, known as has partnered with several government cities entities to leverage AI solution in a support of the Saudi Green initiative. These effort him to create innovative data driving strategy for combating climate change. AI is also transforming climate forecasting in a Saudi Arab. Hulk Peak, assistant to professor of a climate analytic to a kiosk, highlighted AI a potential to predict extreme weather events like heat waves and flash floods, which are expected to become more frequent and severe to climate change. Back AI models. Moreover, relationship within weather data. The tradition method cannot and planning are accurate to action forecast. He tied the improved forecast critical for the kingdom as it have worked to adapt to climate challenges such as severe harvey that affected Makkah last June of the devastating flood in April across UAE in Oman. By projection including that climate change will be intensify and increase the frequency of the hard wave that flush foods alongside expected 32% population growth 2005, the need to harness AI technology has never been more urgent, baked all Arab news. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you like this video, have a nice time. Goodbye.